Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a wood round. These are just this is just a wood charger plate that was purchased at Christmas time, and I use wax paper and electrical tape. And the reason I use the electrical tape, Pip Stevenson has a video out on YouTube that shows you how to do this, but you can stretch it to fit instead of taking little pieces of tape and trying to get that edge. This works great. I do this on all my rounds, so I give her props for that. I've already sprayed my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray, and I did not rub it in. But our color palette for this one is Grumbacher, Phthalo Yellow Green, Lucas Prussian Blue, Lucas Turquoise, and Artist Loft Light Blue. And she's seeping. She's a full bottle. I'll never say he, will I? Everything's she. Okay, and we're going to use white too. So I'm going to start with a little bit of white. We're just going to do a dirty pour. Do you see that white spit at me? Bad white. And I'm only going to do 2 cups, so I need to really fill these up. I'm going to go with the Prussian Blue next. Okay. That light blue is going to take over, I just noticed. I know better than that. The colors you want never take over. And probably one more round. Do another shot of Prussian Blue. I never get enough of that color. Okay. I probably should give them a tiny swirl. Pretty, pretty, pretty. These are almost the same colors that I used on that table that I did that I love. I haven't had any serious inquiries on that table, so she may be staying here. Nah, I don't mind. I just doesn't have anywhere to put her. Okay, same as when we do a 16 by 20 or a 9 by 16 or 9 by 12 or whatever. But since we don't have corners to worry about, we don't have to go any certain rhyme or reason, so I'm just going to play. So for the past week, we have a mimosa tree out front, and she's just starting to get her green. We have had this mockingbird out here every night. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me a bit. Probably driving my neighbors nuts, though. I was messing with him last night. I had the window open. He does the hawks and he does the crickets, and he's got it all down pat pretty good. So last night, I'm going to go ahead and torch. Last night I was doing that. So he would stop, like, what was that? I don't know that one. So I've been doing it with him all day today because I had the windows open. It's been 80 here today. So I'm hoping he was learning it. So we'll see. There's a lot of paint on here. But I don't want to lose that dark spot too much. And I just have this sitting on a bin. Normally I use my banding oil, but didn't need it for this. He's out there right now. I'm gonna have to pop my window open so you can hear him. I like mockingbirds. A lot of people can't stand them because they're so noisy. I'm just trying to figure out why he does it all night long. If you guys know why mockingbirds tweet during the night, let me know. See how this is kind of two paintings in one? Okay, let me wipe my hands. Can you hear him? He's so silly. I just love him. Something just fell, scared the crap out of me. It's scary out here in the garage at night. No, not really. Could be my cat out here and I don't even know it. That's a cool caterpillar. I love this dark spot here. I don't really care for that, but I don't know how to get rid of it without losing that. Without, you know, stretching. And I'm not a scraper, so... Oh, my cord's in my way. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. And see how it looks in about an hour. We have to do some more tilting, but... That's busy. I like it. I'm hoping this does something here. Of course, you know I'm not going to leave it alone. He's doing crickets now. Silly bird. Okay, guys. That's it. I'm not going to change it. Let me give you a peek. So click below to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share. Share, share, share. Leave a comment. Join me on Facebook and also my Etsy shop, and shop with me on Amazon. You can get all your supplies on my shop in one stop, and I did all the work for you. You get them cheap there. I look for the lowest prices, and that's the lowest price airbrush that I use, and torch that I use. So until next time, happy pouring, and stay with us because we're going to be working for our 10,000 subscribers, and we are well on our way. Have a great night, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.